So I done a review not long ago of my Walmart tree hugger lawnmower. And so they had this at Walmart, and I actually got this at the end of last summer, and I'm just now doing something with it. But it matches the mower, uses the same battery, so I thought I would get it and give it a try since it's all the same battery. And so we'll test it and see what we think. The mower was, if y'all hadn't seen the mower video, you should watch it. It was nice because it was pretty well assembled. It just took me like 2 or 3 minutes to assemble it and get the mowing. So you'll see I don't have a big yard, so I just got tired of having you know, a gas mower that you got to fight with every year to get it started. I guess that just there we go. That's easy enough. I wonder if that's, ooh, look at that. That's okay. Let's see what else we got. It don't look like my other batteries. That thing's smaller than my other battery. It's a 20 volt. My other one's, let's compare it real quick. So, so this one's a 2 amp hour, this one's a 6 amp hour. So they will interchange. So that's good. That's what I was wanting, was for them to interchange. Charger. I don't know what this is. So this is the little shield for the weed eater. It looks like you do need a got one screw. Is that it? So you're going to have a Phillips screwdriver. Let me go get one. All right. One screw, and it's done. So the battery's got some charge to it. Yep. And it's even got the little thing to do your edging. So I guess we'll just leave it. Now let's make sure that the blower works. Don't have to do anything to assemble the blower. That works pretty good. For light work. I don't have a big yard, so that's all I have is light work. Let's go try this thing out. This thing, I don't believe it feeds itself. No, I think you have to push that button. Yeah, you can't bump it. So this thing is not a self-feeding. It's a very, very small cord. We'll just keep going until it goes dead. Let me flip that thing back. So you push that button, and that brings it out. So it looks like that thing didn't have much of a charge. Let me go get one of the lawnmower ones. Now I think this is going to make a huge difference. Listen to that now. Much better. Let's do a little more up here. It's pretty easy to do. We'll see if the edger works better now. I wonder if you're supposed to be this way with it because it's cutting too far back. Yeah. Much better. So that little cord doesn't hold up too good when you're going against that concrete. So after using it for the first time, I won't say I'm very impressed, but for the price, I'm pretty happy with it. I would suggest getting both of them, the mower and the weed eater blower combo, so that you can get the bigger battery. I haven't tried that smaller battery fully charged, but I'm afraid it's probably not going to last all that long. And other than that, you kind of got to get used to pushing this button. So other than that, I would say I would recommend it for the price. I think it's pretty good weed eater and a pretty good blower. So remember to check out the mower video. A lot of people seem to like it. Remember to subscribe. I'm going to try to do some more of these. And again, check out the mower video. And thanks for watching. I wanted to add real quick, I blew off the driveway. You've seen all the pine needles that were here. And I blew off the road. And it seems like it's still got pretty good charge. Can't really, well, wait a minute. Yeah, we still got 3 bars. And that's after blowing off all these pine needles and blowing off the road in front of my house. So I'm pretty impressed with it for the price. So anyway, thanks again.